Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm going to provide feedback on your research reports. This is Rustam, and the research project was errors committed by Pakistani English learners. So this research report right now in front of me is submitted by Pakiza Khan. So Pakiza, first you have to amend, as you can see, the calibri. So font style should be times New Roman. Okay, so it should be times New Roman, and the space between this in the title must be reduced. Okay, first no space, then let me centralize it like this. Okay, now you can keep it as 12. Okay, 12, and this should be times New Roman, each rather you can select the whole document, control plus A. Okay, your whole text has been selected. Now I'm going to convert it into times New Roman. Okay, now regarding font size, so this can be 12, but this needs to be 16. Okay, like this, 16, it can be 16. Now this should be removed from this place, and it should be taken to the bottom. Okay, bottom of the page, rather somewhere here, and you need to, so there are many things to be amended. Okay, so let me show you another document which I created. Okay, this one, just see, this can be your title, and here you can write down your name and write down your roll number, supervised by, everything is prepared. So all the title page is prepared. So this is your logo, and here you can change the date. So this is your title page. Okay, now next is your next page. Let me go to the next. This is dedication, so it is your personal. I'm not going to just do anything. So this again is non-issue. Later on we can have a look at it. So let me take you to your chapter number. Abstract can be written at the end of the report. It is too lengthy. It has to be minimized. So here chapter 1, this should be in the center. Okay, this should be in the center, and there should not be much space between these two. Okay, first go to no space. Now bring it into the center. Okay, now again you have to change the font style. It should be times New Roman. Now this heading should be 12, and this can be 14. Okay, 14. You can even take it to 16, but better is 14. Okay. Now this heading can be 14 bold. It cannot be 16. It can be 14 bold. Okay, and let me, you can write 1 or 1.0. 1 or 1.0. Let me take back 1.0. Okay, now don't give this indentation. Okay, it should be like this. Let me bring it back. However, you can give a vertical space and try to select the text and go to justification button and justify it. Okay, vertical space should be 1.5, and as you can see the font style, it can now never be 16. It should be 12. It should be 12. Okay, now let's go to your let me save your document, and also page setup. Your page should be A4. Okay, margins, let me go to custom margins, and top, bottom, left should be 1.25 inches. Okay, 1.25 inches. Okay, now let's see. So this way you can, now let me check home. So this is how you have to bring it back. So this is your text now. Now background of the problem, whatever you have written, if you want to keep it, it's okay. Okay. Otherwise you can mention this background is very less. Okay. Now see the background by me. Okay. I have given a detailed background. So I think this background should be inserted into your report. That's why I say that each one of you should use this document which I am just scrolling up. Okay. See the abstract and the background. So everything is done for you. So you can just use this one. Okay. Everything is mentioned. Okay. So this background, as you can see, is well written, and you should be using this background. Okay. Regarding statement of the problem, so here you can amend your own statement. You can, because in a statement of the problem, first we usually give the ideal situation, then the present situation. So you can use, because this write-up is grammatically correct, maybe yours is not grammatically correct. Let me check your statement. So here I'm going to show you a statement by Pakiza. Purpose of the present study is to find out pronunciation errors. Okay, here you have to add errors. Okay, errors committed by Pakistani learners of English in the areas of stress, treatment of schwa, word endings, silent letters, and confusion with diphthongs. Okay, with diphthongs. 10 students of different levels of ability were given a list of 25 words under each category for pronunciation. So correct this word. The pronunciations were recorded and matched with received pronunciation. Okay. To find out the degree of it. It is well written. Okay. So you can keep this one and you can you can copy it, and you can go to the document which I have sent. Okay. You can place it here. Okay. Or you can use this one, or you can amend it. So I think you have got the option to do what, but the document which I have shared, it is nicely done, and you can use it in your report. So this way you can continue amending your document. Otherwise, let me check further details in your project. So here you can use the hypotheses which I have set. Okay. Let me minimize. So now see, this has to be, click here, and you have to bring it back somewhere here, and that's why I say that you should use, and the vertical space is not correct, so it should be 1.5. and again see your font style, font size, it is 16, it should be 12, so and you can even justify from both sides of the text. Stress placement in Pakistani pronunciation doesn't match that of. Okay, you can use these hypotheses, or you can use mine. Okay, let me show you the hypotheses which I have given. So you have to mention here the following hypotheses were formulated for statistical testing, or for data analysis, or for investigation. Okay, so these are 4 hypotheses. So I'm going to give a full feedback soon. Just I wanted to show to every student that they can use this document which I have uploaded into WhatsApp group and Google Classroom, or you can use your own document. So you can cut and paste, like you can open both the documents side by side like this. Okay, yours as well as mine. So you can shift data to this document. Okay, thank you very much.